Welcome back students. So now in this part I'll be telling you about oxidizers and reducers. So oxidizers is some substance which oxidizes some another thing, and reducers are some substance which reduces some another thing, and in return they themselves get reduced and oxidized. So that we will see in this part. Let's start. Our next topic, guys, is oxidizers and reducers. So they are nothing but they are also known as what? Oxidizing agents and the reducing agents. So what is an oxidizing agent? It's a chemical species that causes the other reactant to be oxidized. Okay, the reactant to be oxidized. Oxidizing agent means what? Suppose I'm A, I'm B. As I say, A is oxidizing agent means what? A will oxidize something other. Okay, A will oxidize something other, and itself will get reduced. It is like that. So it is always reduced in the process. And reducing agent, what is reducing agent? Reducing agent is a chemical species that causes the other reactant to get reduced, and itself will get what? Oxidized. Okay, it itself gets oxidized. So just remember, the one which is oxidizing will get reduced, the one which is reducing will get oxidized. Okay, then remember that oxidizing agent is itself reduced already told when it oxidizes something, and reducing agent is oxidized when it reduces something. Here is the example, guys. This is a oxidation reaction because oxygen is getting added to it. Okay, so Mg is oxidized. Okay, so Mg here is oxidized, getting oxidized. So it is a reducing agent, means it is causing oxygen to get reduced. Similarly, oxygen is reduced, and thus it is what? Oxidizing agent. Because it's totally a vice versa case, guys. It's just a vice versa case. Here are some of the oxidizing and the reducing agents which I need to discuss with you all. Oxidizing agents includes oxygen, all the halogens mostly, like chlorine, okay. Then dichromate ions Cr2O7 2 negative, which get released in the product side as Cr3 plus. Then H2O2, it gets released into H2O2, act as an oxidizing agent. Then iron salts, Fe3 salts. Then MnO4, that is KMnO4 actually, okay, potassium permanganate ion. Then concentrated sulfuric acid. And reducing agents, obviously hydrogen will come first because it was in the definition only, right? Then you have reactive metals. All the reactive metals, they get reduced like this. They reduce the another thing, and themselves they get oxidized by losing their electrons. In carbon monoxide, hydrogen peroxide. Again, you can see hydrogen peroxide is here also. And iodine to iodide, thiosulfate, and ethane diode ions. So these are some of the oxidizing and the reducing agents. So did you realize something, guys? Although I told you, but you should have realized that hydrogen peroxide is acting like both oxidizing and a reducing agent. So if a stronger oxidizing agent is present, then H2O2 is reducing. Okay, if a stronger oxidizing agent is present, then your H2O2 is your reducing in nature, and if a stronger reducing agent is present, then it acts like a oxidizing way. Okay, so take care of that, guys. Welcome back, students. So in this part we saw different types of oxidizers and reducers which are used, right? Also we saw that H2O2 can be used in both the ways, okay, depending upon the conditions. So now in the next part I'll be telling you about very important concept which is known as oxidation number, which is the most important thing for quantitative analysis of the redox reactions. So stay tuned with me for that.